Alright guys, Donald B here again, and today on Canva we're going to talk about business cards. I already type business cards in the search field. There's projects, there's templates. Just make sure templates is actually selected, so that way we can get what we're looking for. And then boom, we have a whole bunch of templates here that we can actually take and use if you want to move things around, switch it up if you want to. You have a blank one here. You can really see it on the actual camera that I'm using to record, but I'm actually recording separate for another channel as well, so don't mind me. But you can use the blank one, or you can utilize one of the ones you have here. Well, let's just, for example, go for one that's already on file. So let's go with this. We have this here, right? And it already tells you over here how much the business cards are, which ones you want, however you want it, however front and back, all that kind of things. That's up to you if you want to order your cards here, which I do. My cards are right here myself. I already have my card, so I order mine off of Canva because I design my own. Why pay for anybody? Why pay somebody else for it when you can just do it yourself? All you gotta do is pay for the cards. So, anyways, that's what you can do there. Let's go ahead and customize this template. You see right down here it says customize this template. So I'm gonna come in here since I selected one that I want to utilize, and so we see we have a person's name here. It's so simple, guys. If you want to, you can click on anything that you want to change, just if you really like this format. And let's say I want to change my name here. You're just gonna put Donald and then B. See? Bam, just like that, Donald B. I can take the dot if I want to. I don't have to put the dot. Or if I want to, I can just move the B here, line it up. You can use those lines right there. There's some pink lines that's on there. It tells you what you can do, how to line it up. You can just make this smaller here, but it lines it up with everything, so everything is now leveled. Okay. It says marketing manager. You can just say content creator, anything like that. It's all lowercase. I can fix that later on. I like the address 123, but obviously you realize you can change this information, and obviously you can see these things right here. They're all grouped together, which is kind of cool. That's something else you can learn how to do as well by ungrouping it. If you want to get rid of one of these, you just have to hit the ungroup, and they're all separate now. So click here, boom, I can move it. But I don't want to ungroup that right now, so I'm going to back up and put it back together as group and move it there. But just let you know, those are the options you have. But anyways, let's say I want to change this picture. Okay, let's go to my uploads, and let's go to some of my old pictures I have here. Sorry, I do a lot of stuff for other people. Let's see what we got. Let's just do this one. I could put that there. Let's move this picture, get rid of that. I don't like that one. I like this one. We're going to put that picture there. Boom, just like that. See? That is so cool. Now let's change the color. We don't like this color. Let's change it to a different color. Ooh, that's too bright. Like that. See? That's all you have to do. And it's just that simple. Now, let's say we don't want to do this project. Let's say we want to get rid of this one. It's already saved. I'm going to customize another one. Well, no, let's customize this one. Let's go to a blank template, which we saw here. Come to the blank template, and then all we got to do is create things, whatever we want to put on there. I can put my little girls on here. This is from my J&D the Knuckleheads. I don't know. No, that's stupid. I'm not going to put that on there. All we need is just like words, and I'm going to use my old logo from J&D the Knuckleheads. If I can find it. Look, listen, all we got to do is just create our own logos. If we want to, I can just put this here. I don't know, why would I put this on a business card? That's a creepy business card. Let's just use the TikTok thing here. Logo. Boom. You got the logo. And you get the words, however you want a heading, anything like that. Oops. Moving too fast here. Say heading, business card. See, something like that. Just move it up here. Business. You can just do it however you want to. And that's the cool part about it. And the thing is, once you actually order your business cards, it's going to make sure that you line everything up so that way you can see everything on the card when you print it. Um, and then also, all you got to do is let's print business card. Right there it says print business card right up top. And then I'm going to turn this camera just a little bit so people can see it on my other channel. It says you want the front and you can put the back. You can design something on the back if you want to design a back one. So let's say you want to do another back one. So you want to do a back. So come here and then just put something on it. Or, no, just put this on here. Do that. Okay, let's just say that's the back. Alright, so you want the front, and now you got the front and the back. See, boom. That's the back. That's the back. That's the front. So now you have the front and the back of the business cards. Premium match. You can put whatever you want to pay for. And then continue. And then it's going to have you adjust edge for printing. Automatically full. Fixed for all sizes. So it will automatically adjust it for you. Stuff like that. So you can add to your cart anything you want. Boom, just that simple. That's how you create an actual business card, folks. Just that simple. And it's going to save you so much money, so much more time. I know a lot of people like to use Fiverr. I don't like using Fiverr. I can design my own stuff, but it doesn't take much to design one. If you guys want to just do videos of how to actually design one, we can do that. I just wanted to show you what you can do when you upload your pictures. Now, you're probably wondering, how do you get these pictures too? All these pictures I've had for a while, but here, if you hit upload files, this is where you can go to upload files from your actual computer. Okay, that's all you have to do to upload any pictures onto this part. If you want to, like some of the stuff I have here, I have so many on here, I need to start deleting these things. I can just delete these old customers I used to have and just go ahead and delete it. So I'm gonna just say move the trash and move this to trash. Simple as that. Okay, so that's all we have for today, guys. This is what we have for creating a business card through Canva. Hope this helps, and again, have a awesome day. And as I always say, it's not deuces, it's doses.